Hi, welcome to Technique Tuesday video. I have a quick technique you can use at work, at school, at home. It only takes a couple seconds to do. If you want to spend a few minutes, you could. You take a towel roll, you don't have to tape it up, but roll it up. Some people use a pillow that they fold. What you do is put that behind your knee and push in. Now, I jumped right to the technique because it's Technique Tuesday. What you'd want to do is this is really for people that are having pain or difficulty bending their knee. So a quick test would be raise your leg up. Can you bend your knee all the way in? Then do a quick check with your hands and pull the knee. You can either go right below the knee or closer to the ankle. If you have pain or limitation with any of those, take the technique, the towel or a folded pillow, put it behind your knee, and then do the same thing. If that decreases your pain, that's a good technique to gain range of motion, in this case bending or flexion of the knee. Do that about, we'll say 10 to 20 times, just enough to feel that you're gaining some movement, and especially if it's no pain. Got to stress that it should not be painful. Then retest, and if it feels better, meaning less pain and you have more motion, that would be a great technique for you to do. So we're going to talk about things like this tonight in the workshop from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. here at our Physical Therapy Connections location. So stop by, even if you did not RSVP earlier. We have drop-bys and people that come in all the time. And this is also one of the many techniques that's offered on my online coaching program for knee pain. And right now it's only $47 and it covers a wide bunch of topics on the knee and only related to the knee, and it's great for pretty much anybody, but particularly people that want to function better and do the recreation and sports without knee pain and improve their performance.